Hi guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to find drafts on your Facebook. Know that Facebook does not allow multiple drafts like Instagram. It is not built into the app itself. So let's jump right on it. Open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Tap on the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your screen to compose a post. You can add photos to your posts. Now, let's save the post as a draft. You do that by tapping the X button at the top left corner of the screen. Then you tap on Save Drafts. Now, to find the draft save, you tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen to open your profile page. Scroll through and you will notice that the draft post can't be found on your timeline. Facebook does it that you can only have one draft post at a time. So to access your draft, you tap on the What's on Your Mind box and you'll see that it will bring up the drafts you have saved. If I tap the X button and discard this, the draft message will automatically be deleted or gone. Now, if you tap the What's on Your Mind box again, Facebook allows you to create a new post. So, if you have a draft, you can either move forward and publish it or you delete it if you want to post something else. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video informative and useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Bye.